Most people think budgeting means cutting out coffee and feeling miserable. They're wrong. The budget I'm about to show you doesn't restrict your life. It actually gave mine back. I spent 18 years working inside banks, watching people with six-figure salaries live paycheck to paycheck and people with average incomes build real wealth. The difference was never income. It was always the system. Today, I'm sharing the exact budget framework that separates people who build wealth from people who just talk about it. Let's get into it. Write this down. Every dollar you earn goes into one of three buckets. Bucket 1, fixed needs, 50%. This covers everything that keeps your life running. Rent or mortgage, car payment, insurance, utilities, groceries. The rule: this bucket never exceeds 50% of your take-home pay. If it does, that's not a budgeting problem. That's a lifestyle problem, and it means something needs to change. Bucket 2, wealth building, 20%. This is non-negotiable. Before you spend a single dollar on anything you enjoy, 20% of your income goes here. This is your retirement account, your investment account, your emergency fund until it hits 6 months of expenses. Then it shifts entirely to investments. Here's the key. This money moves automatically. The moment your paycheck hits, it transfers out. You never see it. You never touch it. You never forget to save it. Pay yourself first, every single time. Bucket 3, free spending, 30%. This is your life. Restaurants, travel, subscriptions, clothes, entertainment. Spend every dollar of it without guilt, because your needs are covered and your future is funded. This is the framework that turns budgeting from a punishment into a permission slip. Here's exactly how to implement this today. Step 1. Calculate your real take-home monthly income, not gross, net, what actually hits your bank account. Step 2. Multiply by 0.20. That's your wealth building number. Set up an automatic transfer on payday to a separate account. Brokerage, Roth IRA, 401k, whatever vehicle you have access to. The key is automatic. Step 3. Multiply by 0.50. Add up your fixed expenses. If they're over that number, identify the biggest one and make a plan to reduce it over the next 90 days. Step 4. Whatever's left, that's your free spending budget. Use it. Enjoy it. You've earned it. 2 tools that make this easier. YNAB, You Need a Budget, is the gold standard for tracking. Paid, but worth it. If you want free, a simple Google Sheets spreadsheet with 3 columns. Fixed, wealth, free, does the job perfectly. The tool doesn't matter, the habit does. I want to leave you with something more important than any spreadsheet. Budgeting isn't about how much you make. I've seen people earning $300,000 a year who were financially fragile. 1 job loss from disaster. And I've seen people earning $50,000 who were completely free. No debt, investments growing, peace of mind. The difference was always intention. The 3-bucket system works because it forces intention before spending. You decide in advance what matters. Your money follows that decision, not the other way around. Start with this month, just this month. Take your income, protect 20%. Cover your needs with 50%. Live fully on the remaining 30%. Do that for 90 days, and your relationship with money will never be the same. If this was useful, subscribe. I post practical financial strategies every week, backed by real credentials and 18 years of experience inside the banking system. And if you want to go deeper, I'll link a free budgeting template in the description. Grab it and start today. See you in the next one.